Hey there, it's Julie, and I just wanted to make this video to help you out a little bit in navigating World Unity Week. So when you go to worldunityweek.org, whether you've registered or not, but if you go there, first of all, to register, you scroll down and you click right here and you hit register, and they'll ask for your email address, and then you'll get an email, which so far for me has not provided a ton of information. This is the first time that I've presented with this schedule or with World Unity Week, so I'm still trying to figure out my way around. But what I did figure out is that if you go to schedule right here and click on all events, of course it's going to be slow, you'll get to this page. And if you go to this little button right here, convergence rooms, and go all, obviously you can go to any of these convergence rooms that sound exciting to you, but my event is in the Love, Peace, Unity, and Earth Stewardship room. So click there. And then again, if you scroll down, of course, you can get the room description. And you'll see the room schedule, but it's not the full schedule. I think it is either featured or the things that are coming up in the next couple of days, something like that. But if you go all the way to the room Trello board right here, and you click on that, it will take you to a Trello board. Trello, if you're not familiar with it, is a project organization tool. You don't have to have an account with Trello to be able to come to the board. So you'll see here in Trello, you've got all the different dates of things coming up. Mine is on Friday, June 24th. And so if you'll come to this, it's called a card right here, this column, and you can scroll. And if you scroll, voila, there I am. These are all in order of time. So there I am. And if you click on that card, it will show you all of the information, and it also has the link to join the class, the workshop. So I hope that's helpful. So if you click on that, you'll go directly to the classroom, to the workshop. You don't have to register. You don't have to do anything else. You can just click right there and you'll be in there. Hope that's helpful. I hope that helps you get into navigate World Unity Week for other classes that you want to go to, and helps you get into the Dream Magic course that I'm doing on Friday. All right, thanks everybody. Sweet dreams.